So what's a Suica card? Well, a Suica card is a wireless tap and go card that you can add money to and use it on the train stations in Japan, as well as some convenience stores and even some restaurants. To get one, you just basically go to any train station in Japan and you'll see one of these machines, and you just select your language and buy a card. There's a 500 yen deposit on those, and that'll allow you to add more money and use it on the train station. Now, if you have an iPhone that allows you to wirelessly pay, you can actually use the Suica card in the Apple Pay wallet. And this way, instead of buying a physical Suica card, you can just use your iPhone. Now, it's also available on the Android, although I don't have an Android, so I haven't been able to test that out. But as you can see, I just added 5,000 yen, which is basically about 50 US dollars. And there, the payment has been confirmed. And now I'm ready to use my Suica via my iPhone. And basically, when you board the train, you will just place your phone on the Suica sensor. As you can see here, there's the sensor, and it deducted the fee off of my phone. And you don't actually have to have the Suica app open. You just have to have your phone turned on and unlocked, I believe. And here I'm at a vending machine. As you can see, a lot of the vending machines will have a Suica logo, and this allows you to use your mobile device or your Suica IC card and buy a drink. You basically just tap the button to pick a drink and swipe your card. And you can also use them on the public buses throughout Japan, as well as convenience stores like 7-Eleven, Family Mart, and Lawson's. And even some of the fast food restaurants like McDonald's, Burger King, and KFC, I believe, will accept them as well. Anyway, that does it for this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe.